fry onion and eggs like this and the result will be amazing. I bet you'll get addicted to making this recipe after trying it.
Cut an onion like this. It's just an incredible and delicious recipe. Make it at your home too, and come back here to tell me what you thought. Now in a cold pan, pour some cooking oil, and right after, place onion slices in a way that cover the entire bottom of the pan. Tell me how you make omelet at your home. I'd love to know your recipe. Now, let's add for eggs. And also put 1 teaspoon of salt. And then add 1 pinch of black pepper. Cover now the pan with grated mozzarella cheese, just like that. This recipe became one of my favorite meals since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop making it. Once done, let's mix all these ingredients until they're well combined. Add some finely chopped green onion, just like that. It's an amazing, practical recipe, and best of all, it's delicious. I bet you'll eat this meal in the mornings. Now let's cover the whole pan with slices of bread, just like that. Here I'm using homemade bread. To finish, let's cover our pan and let it cook for 15 minutes. Once done, our recipe is ready. Look how wonderful it turned out. Using just a few everyday ingredients, we can make a much tastier recipe than those sold in conventional restaurants. If you like omelet, make it at your home too, and come back here to tell me what you thought. I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it too. See you in the next video. Bye.